Namaste Sarvebhyam. Good morning to one and all, those who are all with us now directly and indirectly. Respected young principal of the college, Professor Lokesh Sir, workshop organizing secretary, the young and energetic Professor Ajay Kumar, IQAC coordinator, the evergreen young man, Professor Nagraju Sir, staff members of Government First Year College Chennaraipatna, delegates, research scholars, friends, and the students that I love. Myself, Dr. N.G. Prakash, Assistant Professor of History, Government First Year College, Nagamangala, Mandya District, in front of you. And I want to share a few concluding words with you now. At the very outset, I congratulate the principal and the team for organizing this very beautiful and very meaningful workshop under these pandemic conditions of COVID-19 and try to uphold the name of the Government First Grade College, Chennaraipatna. The workshop seems to be like a combo meal or a marathon. No doubt in that. There were 12 sessions and 13 resource persons on the stage. One organizing secretary, one principal, one IKC coordinator, and the entire staff of the college reserved their 2 to 3 months of energy for this workshop and its success. So, on behalf of all the delegates, again, I want to congratulate the entire team of Government First Grade College, Chennaraipatna. The national level 1 week workshop organized by Government First Grade College, Chennaraipatna on research methodology is the necessity of the day. And this is very important for me now. The workshop is necessity of the day because the world research become very rampant now. Government, semi-government, and non-government organizations are involving in this process, and many people come forward to conduct the research with the purpose of the pride of having a degree, desire to solve the unsolved problems, to trace the untraced areas, desire to get intellectual joy of doing some creative work, search for truth and professional benefits, etc. and etc. Today's world is turbulent in its nature. Every day, every hour, we're enjoying the benefits of research. So, it is not possible to imagine the developments without the research. And this is the very important for me regarding this workshop. Dear friends, nowadays everything is available at our doorstep. Education, higher education, and research also. Every medical college, every engineering college, every university, and even some first grade colleges also have their own research centers, but the outcome of the research makes you different. The outcome of the research will make you special. My dear colleagues, it was rightly said in one of the sessions as tremendous researches have been taking place now. Tremendous researches have been taking place now in the field of transportation and communication, in the field of trade and commerce, in the field of science and technology, in the field of humanities and literature studies, linguistic studies also. And now a question arises about the quality of the research. The quality curve is increasing, no doubt, but it is not easy to answer exactly. And no doubt the quality curve is increasing, but not the quality. So, at present, higher education and research in India and the world facing a problem of quality crisis, and this especially the problem of India. Many scholars identifying and speaking about the same issue. Here the very important thing is the quality curve is increasing or decreasing. This is the question. Answering this question is very difficult. And no doubt, here the quality is increasing. No, the quantity is increasing, but not the quality. This is important for me now here. By keeping this in mind, new education policy of 2020 trying to enhance the quality of the research by classifying the universities into research universities and teaching universities, and try to give more importance to the quality teaching and quality research, because a good research can generate confidence among the teaching and learning group and contribute to the development of the country also. In this backdrop, present workshop is an attempt to guide and bring confidence among teaching and learning groups and research scholars by providing a concrete idea about the research, types of research, research methodology, selection of the research topic, literature survey, formation of the working hypothesis, plagiarism testing, preparation of the thesis to the interested and the needy. My dear friends, research is an endeavor of contributing something new of our own to the world of knowledge. It can be broadly classified into three groups, such as discovery of new information, analyze the existing information, and formulate the new theory. To understand the difference between these researchers, I will give you a very simple example of eating an apple. See, here is a person called Prakash, pluck the apple from the tree and eat it directly. Another person called Ramesh, pluck the apple, wash it, cut it and eat it. One more person called Santosh, pluck the apple, wash it, cut it, mix it with the water and sugar, grind it and prepare the juice and drink it. Here, the ultimate result is the same, but the way, the method that you adopted was the different. I think this example clearly tells us about the differences of the researchers and the methodologies. The workshop commenced with the keynote address delivered by A.H. Sagar, effectively showed the direction of the workshop and laid the strong foundation by raising the question about the research methodology, research method, and philosophy of the research. A good start is often. This statement clearly applies to the keynote address and its impact. Each session reminds me the statement of renowned scholar called Rudyard Kipling, who quotes as, "I have 6 brothers. They taught me everything that I knew now. They are what, who, why, when, where, and how. Each session was clear in reaching its goal. Selection of research topic and conduct a social science research session of Dr. Ramchandra is an ideal speech about the layout of the thesis. They spoke about the preliminary pages, the main text, and the end matter. Selection of a research topic is equivalent as selection of a life partner. No doubt in that. Research is also like a selection of the life partner. A researcher should select the research topic according to his interest, according to his knowledge, and also aware of its usefulness. In this session, formulation of research objectives and hypotheses, Dr. Manjunath gave a very good information about different objectives of the research and different flexible plans to reach them. Dr. Uday Ravi took up a mandatory topic of the research called review literature and started with the beautiful example of building a house. Dr. Uday Ravi touched all the corners of the sources and gave the complete information. Assistant Director of Physical Education, Dr. Shobha spoke about the methodology of research design by giving very beautiful information about the explanatory research design, the descriptive research design, the dynastic research design, and etc. Dr. Suresh managed the sampling and data collection method, advantages and limitations and tools of data collections with the beautiful slides. Dr. Yogesh was the resource person for analysis, interpretation, and testing of hypothesis session, in which he tried to justify his speech by giving the suitable examples of the business sector with the statistics. Dr. Guru Prasad discussed a handful of rules and regulations of report writing, suggested the researcher to keep the 4 features in their mind while writing a report, that too writing a very successful report, such as focus, accuracy, clarity, and consciousness. Professor also discussed about the differences between the report writing and the thesis writing. Later, explained about the qualitative and quantitative research, and also clarified step by step about the essential information of an ideal report writing. Dr. Durga Praveen in the session Research Ethics and Plagiarism started his discussion with the etymology of the ethics. The resource person gave the latest information about different plagiarism methods according to 2018 University Grants Commission's guidelines. In the end, did not forget to give some tips to avoid plagiarism. This is one of the very beautiful sessions. Dr. Rupesh Kumar started his speech by briefing the fundamental words using in the reference management like citation, reference, bibliography, and further reading. In this session, references, bibliography, and citation. Later, he discussed about some examples of the citations. Later, he demonstrated the reference management software system like manual reference management and software assisted management. Professor Rupesh Kumar ended his speech with a very beautiful, a very good suggestion to inculcate the habit of writing as cite while you write and not cite after you write. This is a very beautiful suggestion is given by us, Dr. Rupesh Kumar, regarding the citations and other things. Shri Lakshmi Narayana, in this session, Application of Information Technology in Research, completely described about the application of ICT in pre-data analysis, the application of ICT in data analysis, the application of ICT in post-data analysis, and gave a complete information about ICT-based research. From the selection of the topic, collection of the data, literature survey, hypothesis testing, plagiarism testing, everything will go through ICT only. Totally, in future, this sector will get more and more importance, no doubt in that. So one should concentrate on this ICT for the sake of their betterment of the future researchers. Dr. Venkatachalapati, in this session, information sources for conduct research, discussed about the meaning of the data, primary and secondary data collection, sources of information and collection of data from different literature like primary literature, secondary literature, and tertiary literature, etc. and etc. Totally, research is an uncontested catalyst for creating a prosperous future. For the youth, it assumes the national prominence and becomes a national agenda. In the view of this, Government First Grade College, Chandarayapatna workshop is a welcome set of guidelines to constructive impact on our research system. The workshop raised a question as nowadays social sciences are losing their importance, and try to give an idea to overcome by this question also. Now, according to New Education Policy 2020, social sciences taking a diversion, and it's really an healthy development. The workshop encountered a list of problems that a researcher facing in India especially, such as the lack of sufficient training in the research methodology. This is the very important problem that we Indians are facing, because we are getting only theoretical knowledge from LKG to PG. We know the subject, but we don't know the interpretation. I think this 1 week workshop successfully filled this gap, and it gave a very good training regarding this. Second thing is that lack of confidentiality from the side of research scholar, from the side of information provider, and from the side of the guide also. Third is that there does not exist a strict code of conduct regarding that research. And fourth is that problems related to copying, manipulating, and cooking the data, etc. and etc. In between all these problems, the workshop quoted the government degree colleges as the street lamps for the poor, the street lamps for the depressed, and the rural students to come forward and to take up the researches. With these, I want to seize my words. It's my observations and it's my understanding of the workshop. If at all confusions, if you need any clarification, or if you want some more explanation, need not to hesitate to come forward, because that enhances the strength of this workshop of Government First Aid College, Chennaraipatna. Wish you all the success, the young team of Chennaraipatna Government First Aid College. You have more energy, you have more knowledge, and you have more concern on the poor, depressed, and rural students. These are all about my valedictory remarks. Want to extend my special thanks to the principal, program coordinator Dr. Ajay Kumar, IQAC coordinator Dr. Nagraj sir, and my dear friend Dr. Mundraju, who is working in Chennaraipatna, for giving me an opportunity to be with you for this minutes. Thank you one and all.
Hi all of you, Government of Karnataka, Department of Collegiate and Technical Education, University of Mysore, Government First Aid College, Chennaraipatna, Hassan District, Karnataka. Dear participants, I am Nagaraju BG, librarian and IQAC coordinator, Government First Aid College, Chennaraipatna. Due to this pandemic COVID-19 situation, we have conducted 1 week online national level workshop on research methodology and its strategies. Dear participants, as we know, research is very essential for faculty, research scholars and student community as the part of new education policy. I hope you are enjoyed all the sessions with your convenient time schedule. In this regards, as a IQAC coordinator, it's my pleasure and I am so happy to express my sincere gratitude to all. First of all, on behalf of all the participants, various workshop committees and college staff, I express my sincere thanks to Dr. Lokesh MN, Principal, Government First Aid College, Chennaraipatna. Sir, thank you so much for your endless and continuous guidance and support all the while. Next, I must say thanks on behalf of all the participants, various workshop committees and college staff to Sri Sagar H, international educationalist, FDP experts, and delivered inaugural address and keynote of the workshop on behalf of the college, principal and participant. Thank you so much for the part of this workshop and inaugural address. On the day 1, second session led by Dr. Ramachandra K, Professor and Coordinator, PG Center, Maharani's Cluster University, Bangalore. Sir has led the session with the topic how to conduct a social science research and selection of research topic. On the behalf of college, principal and participant, thank you so much for accepting our invite as a resource person on this workshop. In the second day, Dr. Udayaravi Shastri, Associate Professor, Palagatti, Adavappa Arts and Science First Grade College, Tiptur, Tumkur District. Sir has led the session with the topic Review of Literature. Sir has delivered an enlightened lecture in wonderful way. On behalf of college, thank you so much, sir. On the same day, in the second session, Dr. Manjunath, Assistant Professor, Government First Grade College, Channapatna and Special Officer, DCE. Sir has ended the session with the topic Formulation of Research Hypothesis and Objectives. On the behalf of Principal and College, I would say thank you so much, sir. In the third day, first session led by Dr. Shobha A, Director Physical Education, Government First Grade College, Peenya. Madam handled the session with the topic Methodology of Research and Research Design. For this, on the behalf of college, I would say thank you so much, madam. In the same day, second session led by Dr. Ramesha V, HOD and Assistant Professor, PG Center, Government First Grade College for Women's, Asan. Sir delivered a lecture on sampling data collection methods or tools with suitable example. Sir, thank you so much for the part of this session and the workshop. The fourth day, first session led by Durga Praveen, HOD, Assistant Professor, Department of Kannada, Dravidian University, Kuppam. Sir handled the session with the topic Research Ethics and Plagiarism. On behalf of the college, I say thank you so much, sir. In the same day, second session, my friend Shri Rupesh Kumar A. He is an Assistant Professor, Department of Studies and Research in Library and Information Science, Tumkur University. Sir has led the session in fruitful way with example. On behalf of college, thank you so much, sir. In the fifth day of the Sunday, first session led by Dr. Yogish S.N., Professor, Department of Economics, Kuvempu University. Sir handled the session with a topic Analysis and Interpretation and Testing of Hypothesis. On behalf of the college, thank you so much, sir. On the bonus additional point of view, on the same the topic, Dr. Manjunath, Assistant Professor, Government First Grade College, Chanpatna and Special Officer, DCE, led the session with practical manner with suitable examples. Thank you so much for accepting our invitation and being part of this workshop, sir. On the same day, the second session delivered by our colleague and friend Dr. Guru Prasad P.S., Assistant Professor, Government First Grade College, Chamarajanagar, with the topic Writing Research Report. Thank you so much for accepting our invitation and part of this workshop. At the sixth day, in the first session started by Sri Lakshmi Narayana N, Secretary for Commerce and Management Research Scholar Association, Bangalore, and Dr. Venkatachalapati G, Physical Education Director, Government First Grade College, Kanakpura. Both of you, both of the resource person, I express my thanks for the part of this workshop. In the last day, the session led by Dr. Prakasha NG, Assistant Professor, Department of History, Government First Grade College, Nagamangala, and Special Officer, DCE, Bangalore, with valedictory remarks. On behalf of the college, thank you so much for accepting our invite and valedictory notes, sir. And also, I would express my thanks to all the participants for their endless support, cooperation and actively participation in the workshop from day 1 to till end. And also I would express my thanks to all my colleagues, non-teaching staff, students, alumni and media, and who are directly or indirectly support and made grand success of the workshop. Your feedback is base for our further improvement for the program. Thank you one and all. Be home, be safe and be healthy. Wish you good luck.